Let's learn the sentences with do. Do you feel happy? Do you feel happy? Do you bring your new bag? Do you bring your new bag? Do you guide him? Do you guide him? Do you feel hungry now? Do you feel hungry now? Do you play guitar? Do you play guitar? Do you have a cat? Do you have a cat? Do you like to exercise? Do you like to exercise? Do you eat chocolate cake? Do you eat chocolate cake? Do you cook? Do you cook? Do you come with us? Do you come with us? Do you study again? Do you study again? Do you wash my car? Do you wash my car? Do you remove your shoes? Do you remove your shoes? Do you eat fruit salad? Do you eat fruit salad? Do you meet her? Do you meet her? When do you clean this room? When do you clean this room? Do you send these gifts? Do you send these gifts? Do you feel lonely? Do you feel lonely? How do you go to school? How do you go to school? Do you have any solutions? Do you have any solutions? Do you repair this bicycle? Do you repair this bicycle? Do you have another pen? Do you have another pen? Do you pack my lunch? Do you pack my lunch? I will do it. I will do it. Why do you help them? Why do you help them? Where do you live? Where do you live? Do you leave now? Do you leave now? Which skirt do you like? Which skirt do you like? Do you remember her name? Do you remember her name? Do you like to wear a hat? Do you like to wear a hat? Thank you so much for watching my videos. If you learned something from this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.